Alright, welcome back to the shed. This time we have got a quick little video of unboxing a mobile phone tablet lazy bracket. I got this from Temu. I've got brackets everywhere, but to be honest with you, I still can't find the right one to hold it. This is my Frankenstein type of thing where I've added a piece of metal and taped up some gubbings on here, put an old GoPro holder on it, just so it works. It works quite well, to be fair. It really does. It does what I want it to do, but it's not perfect. I've ordered this bracket not for the fact that it'll do hold a phone, tablet, and stuff like that. That's not the issue really. If I can just work out another way then to attach my GoPro to it. So anyway, I paid £6.99 with this, along with a few other things. But there's no point in me telling you how much I paid for something on Temu because it changes. I could tell you, I could put the link, and then before you know it, the link is dead. There's the base for it. Put that there. I'm not really fussed about the quality for that kind of money. I just wanted the length and to see how that works. I mean, this is just me. It's very similar to the one I've got here. Looking at the way the metal is, it's the same kind of thing. This is like tubing. This is, you know what I mean. But that's for when my phone goes on it, and I'll unloosen that, and I can bring that down and tighten it up, kind of thing. I could do that like that. So I'll push that out the way. It's out the way, done. Now this comes with cable clips, which you'd put on to thread your mic cable or lamp cable through it. I haven't got one on there. What is this? This is the actual monitor or tablet connection on there. This will be. That's not bad. It goes quite big, isn't it? To be fair, you know what I mean. That's all right. I'm not going to use it, but it'd work on my phone. Easily work on my phone. If I want to use it, I might actually put it there and use it on my phone if I ever need my phone on here. This is the reason why I bought it, because it's got this extra piece here. This didn't have this extra length. This just had the little bit on the end there. So I'd probably, let's have a look. I could probably take that off and attach some kind of GoPro connector on it. So let's have a look. The quality's pretty much what I expected. The only downside I can think of. Oh no, it's not that bad. Let's have a look if I can put these side by side like that. So if I bring it in, oh Christ, there goes my skeleton. If I bring it in, it's probably the same length, but if you look at that, I've got that much length again, so I could pick it up higher if I wanted to. Sometimes I'm unboxing big boxes and I just quite haven't got the room. So this, I'll show you how this would go anyway. Put the poor skeleton back on. He's lost his leg. So there he is back on there. So this is to attach it to a table or whatever it is. That's not bad actually. Quite chunky. It's got a protective thing on the end there. So you can have it in two ways, I think. You can have it against something. So if I go like this, God, I wish it could be a bit quicker, but there we go. Go inside. If I go against, let's just say, what can I put it against? So if I did it that way, and then no, I won't even be able to do that. If you had it against something, let's have a look. You could have it attached to. God, slow. You can have it attached to the edge of something like that, and then it'll go on that way, and you can tighten it up. Or you could flip it on its side and have it against going vertically like that and horizontal to it, and then have it that way. Depends how much room you've got. I will probably put it. I don't know if it'll fit. Let's have a look if it'll fit. There's the thing. Will it fit? Yeah, it'd fit there. I'll probably put it next to that one there and then tighten it up like that. Here we go. Now we're winning. Now you'll transfer the screw from the bottom and put it on the side. like so. That fits quite well, actually. Then you put the slot in there. So if I was to bring it down, I have to push that back a bit. No, it won't. What is wrong with that? Oh, there we are. It just needs a gentle persuasion. I might have to loosen that to do it. So I'm roughly at the same size as that, but I got this swing arm here, if that makes sense to you. I don't know if anyone else gets this problem when they're making videos. And then that'll attach. I'm not going to bother with that. This GoPro will attach to there, so that way I've got the space to lift it down once I've fixed up that needs a bit of loosening up, that does. And then it'll be all right, hopefully. It goes left and right, up and down, so I can take a video of whatever I've got there. So that is that. If I swing that to there, get that out the way there, fix it out the way there, put this back for now. This works quite well. I'll probably keep it, to be fair. This, I'll figure something out with that. I'm trying to figure out, does anybody know if there's any kind of like a length of this so you can attach a GoPro so it's facing that way? I'm struggling to find anything. This is, like I say, my own method of madness kind of thing. It's working so far. It's quite smooth. You know, the skeletons don't like it that much, and this guy definitely doesn't. Put some double-sided tape on him so he can stay there. But that's it. So if you want one of them, or you've got one of them, and you know what I can get the actual attachment for the GoPro, can you let me know in the comments so I can figure it out? Okay, until the next time, take care.